Have you ever looked in the mirror midday and wondered, where did my makeup go? It's a common dilemma that leaves many of us puzzled and frustrated. You're not alone. We've all experienced that frustrating makeup meltdown. It's like a universal beauty problem that unites us all. That moment when your foundation has disappeared, your eyeliner has smudged, and your lipstick has vanished. It's as if your makeup decided to take a break without informing you. But don't worry, there's a solution. You don't have to resign yourself to midday touch-ups or constant mirror checks. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can keep your makeup looking fresh and flawless all day long. Imagine the confidence boost of knowing your makeup is on point from morning till night. Let's unlock the secrets to long-lasting makeup together. It's time to say goodbye to those pesky makeup meltdowns. First, we need to understand the culprits behind fading makeup. Knowing what causes the problem is the first step to solving it. Our skin naturally produces oil throughout the day, which can break down makeup and cause it to slide around. This is especially true for those with oily skin types. Environmental factors like humidity and heat can also contribute to makeup meltdown. A hot, sweaty day can be a makeup's worst enemy. And let's not forget about touching our faces, a surefire way to transfer makeup from our skin to our hands. It's a habit many of us have without even realizing it. But fear not, makeup lovers. There's hope on the horizon. There are ways to combat these makeup saboteurs. With the right techniques and products, you can keep your makeup intact. By understanding the factors that contribute to fading makeup, we can take steps to prevent it. Knowledge is power when it comes to beauty. From proper skincare prep to strategic product application, we'll guide you through the process of achieving makeup that stays put. It's all about the right preparation and application. Get ready to say goodbye to makeup meltdowns and hello to all-day confidence. You'll be amazed at the difference these tips can make. Let's dive into the first step towards long-lasting makeup, prepping your skin like a pro. This is the foundation of any great makeup look. Before we even think about applying makeup, we need to lay the groundwork for a flawless canvas. Think of your skin as a blank canvas. The smoother and more prepped it is, the better your makeup will look and last. That's where skincare comes in. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or impurities. This step is crucial because we don't want to apply makeup over a layer of grime. Once your face is clean, follow up with a moisturizer suited for your skin type. Moisturizer is essential for keeping your skin hydrated, which is key for long-lasting makeup. Dry skin can actually absorb moisture from your makeup, leading to a patchy and uneven appearance. By hydrating your skin beforehand, you're creating a smooth and supple base for your makeup to adhere to. Now that your skin is clean and hydrated, you're ready for the next step in our makeup longevity journey: primer. Primer is often overlooked in makeup routines, but trust us, it's a game changer. It's the secret weapon that can transform your makeup from good to flawless. Think of primer as the glue that holds your makeup together, ensuring it stays put throughout the day. It creates a barrier between your skin and your makeup, preventing it from sinking into your pores and fading away. This means your makeup looks fresher for longer. There's a primer for every skin concern, so choose one that addresses your specific needs. Whether it's redness, large pores, or dullness, there's a primer for you. If you have oily skin, opt for an oil-free primer to control shine and keep your makeup matte. If you have dry skin, look for a hydrating primer to add an extra boost of moisture, ensuring your makeup doesn't look cakey. Apply primer all over your face or focus on areas where your makeup tends to fade or crease, such as your T-zone, eyelids, and smile lines. This targeted application can make a big difference. Allow the primer to set for a minute or two before moving on to foundation. This step is crucial for the primer to work its magic. This will give it time to create that smooth canvas we're after, making your foundation application seamless. With your skin primed and ready, you're one step closer to makeup that lasts all day. You'll notice the difference in how your makeup looks and feels. Now let's talk about the art of layering makeup. This is where the real fun begins, and your creativity can shine. When it comes to long-lasting makeup, less is more. Instead of applying thick layers of foundation, opt for a thin and gradual approach. This technique will prevent caking and create a more natural finish. Start by applying a thin layer of foundation all over your face, blending it outwards from the center. If you need more coverage, build it up gradually with additional thin layers. Remember, it's better to add more product as needed than to start with too much. The same layering technique applies to other makeup products such as concealer, blush, and bronzer. Apply each product in thin layers, blending well to avoid any harsh lines. This will create a seamless and long-lasting look. By layering your makeup strategically, you're creating a strong foundation that will stay put for hours. But we're not done yet. Next up, we'll lock everything in place with setting powder. Section 5. Setting the stage powder power. Setting powder is a crucial step in achieving long-lasting makeup. It absorbs excess oil, minimizes shine, and sets your makeup for all-day wear. Think of it as the finishing touch that transforms your look from dewy to divine. Dip a fluffy brush into your setting powder, tap off any excess, and lightly dust it over your entire face. Focus on areas prone to oiliness, such as your T-zone, nose, and eyelids. Avoid applying too much powder, as this can make your makeup look cakey. If you have dry skin, you may be tempted to skip setting powder altogether. However, there are lightweight and hydrating setting powders available that won't accentuate dry patches. Look for powders that contain moisturizing ingredients, such as hyaluronic acid or glycerin. With your makeup set and mattified, it's time to move on to the final step: setting spray. Section 6. The finishing touch: setting spray. Setting spray is the ultimate weapon in your quest for long-lasting makeup. It's like hairspray for your face, locking in your makeup and preventing it from budging, smudging, or fading. Hold the setting spray about 8 inches away from your face and mist it evenly all over. Avoid saturating your face. A few spritzes are all you need. Close your eyes and mouth while spraying to avoid any irritation. Setting sprays come in a variety of formulations, so choose one that suits your skin type and desired finish. If you have oily skin, opt for a mattifying setting spray. If you have dry skin, look for a hydrating setting spray. And if you want a radiant glow, choose a setting spray with a dewy finish. Congratulations, you've successfully locked in your makeup for all-day wear. But our journey towards makeup longevity doesn't end there. Let's talk about the importance of hydration and exfoliation. Section 7. Hydration is key. We've already touched on the importance of moisturizing your skin before applying makeup, but hydration is an ongoing process. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial for maintaining your skin's moisture balance. When your skin is dehydrated, it can actually produce more oil to compensate, which can lead to makeup breakdown. By staying hydrated, you're helping to regulate your skin's oil production and create a more balanced canvas for your makeup. Incorporate hydrating skincare products into your routine, such as serums and masks, to give your skin an extra boost of moisture. Look for products that contain hyaluronic acid, a powerful humectant that attracts and retains moisture. Remember, hydrated skin is happy skin, and happy skin is the perfect base for long-lasting makeup. Section 8. Clean brushes, flawless finish. Last but not least, let's talk about the importance of clean makeup brushes. Keeping your brushes clean is essential for maintaining both your skin's health and the quality of your makeup application. Dirty brushes can harbor bacteria, oil, and product buildup, which can lead to breakouts, uneven makeup application, and even shorten the lifespan of your brushes. This buildup can also affect the color and texture of your makeup, making it harder to achieve the look you want. Clean your brushes at least once a week with a gentle brush cleanser or baby shampoo. Regular cleaning helps to remove all the residue and keeps your brushes in top condition. Wet the bristles with lukewarm water, massage in the cleanser, and rinse thoroughly. Make sure to be gentle to avoid damaging the bristles. Squeeze out any excess water and reshape the bristles before laying the brushes flat to dry. Proper drying is crucial to maintain the shape and functionality of your brushes. Clean brushes not only ensure a flawless makeup application but also promote skin health. Using clean brushes helps to distribute makeup evenly and prevent skin irritation. By removing bacteria and buildup, you're preventing breakouts and keeping your skin clear and radiant. Healthy skin is the perfect canvas for any makeup look. So there you have it, the secrets to long-lasting makeup revealed. Clean brushes are a key part of your beauty routine. By following these tips and tricks, you can achieve makeup that stays put from morning to night. Consistency in your routine will yield the best results. Remember, it's all about prepping your skin, layering your makeup strategically, and setting everything in place. With clean brushes, your makeup will always look its best.